Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to manually allow applications to use our calendar in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To allow applications to use our calendar, we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for security and privacy option, and under privacy we have permission manager. Right here, as you can see, calendar, 4 out of 8 applications now are allowed to use our calendar. Let's add more. For example, let's add calendar, of course, and maybe Galaxy wearable. Back out, and as you can see, very easy to do. Simply tap and choose what to do. Now there are more applications that are allowed to use of our calendar function in our phone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.